wanna take me on a permanent vacation. That's old Aerosmith. So here we have Vacay Vibes, and this one is called Riley. Not sure why, but we'll find out hopefully. There's some clues when we open it up. We have a nice floral vacation looking Hawaiian kind of theme to the box. We have some copyright date of 2024 and some tape dots indicating this is a new product. Alright, Riley is interesting in the fact that it has like corduroy for material. You can, you can hear those ribs. So it feels like corduroy pants. Very interesting. And this outfit is just ridiculous. It reminds me of Arnold Schwarzenegger in those old bodybuilding photos or something. Granted, I don't think he actually had this. He just wore tight shorts or whatever. But I don't know. It looks like something an Olympic weightlifter would be wearing. That's what it reminds me of. It's a very strange outfit. And actually, this is actually sewn in place. It's not a removable outfit. It's a very soft, very short pile synthetic of some sort. Alright. The arms are literally touching the ground. So, it looks to me like an octopus. Again, an octopus or a squid-like vibe out of it. And then, look at this mouth. It's just really goofy. But the mouth actually goes in a pretty decent amount, so you can adjust probably the expression by moving the filling around. See, so now we can maybe see more of the teeth. If I maybe force some of the filling up above these teeth, maybe I'll push these out. There, now we can see more of the teeth. So yeah, you just gotta mess around with it. It's a very wide mouth, and then 6 teeth here, yeah, with a gap, a really big gap. Yeah, they're all gapped out actually. So we got the thick felt for the eyelids, and the eyes are blue. There's just very little color. The pupils are so big, but I can see right there, hopefully you can see if I hit focus, there's a little bit of blue around for the sclera of the eyes here. Alright, then I've noticed this in a lot of these Fugglers. This is an old tag underneath here with the previous year, and they cut it off and then put this new tag on top of it. So you can actually see, actually this one's not cut off, but this one says 2025. But underneath this, it probably says 2024. But yeah, I'm going to just leave it alone, just too lazy. And then we have your button on hole under here. It's your standard tan color with the trademark molded in there. So that's it. Really, it's a weird design, that's for sure. It's definitely different. So another aquatic themed one from the same line is the Codfather. This one, I like this one even more. It's just really goofy. It's a fish with a swimming cap on. Right? So, and I guess in this thing, if this is a squid or an octopus, why would it be wearing a swimsuit? It's just funny. It's just strange. It makes no sense. But this one's got just a really messed up, like rodent-like mouth that I really like this one. Although this is appealing as well, just in the fact that it's a totally different shape, and it's using corduroy. I've never seen this kind of fabric in a Fuggler, so very neat. All right, you can look up the Codfather review elsewhere. So that'll do for today. I appreciate you guys watching. We'll see you next time we talk about a Fuggler.